Hi everyone, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on some applications you can use with Woot Math, especially because some of you are about to take a quiz on Woot Math today. What I noticed when you did the previous assignment on it was there was no work shown. And so I wanted to show you some of the tools that you can use with this to show some work so that you have a greater success rate in completing the problems. So I've got a lesson up here to look at some review from Pythagorean theorem. And so we're jumping right in here with question number 4. It asks which equation is the correct representation of Pythagorean theorem. And so if I was trying to remember what that is, I can click right here, down here in the lower right-hand side, and using that pen, and I can start writing. And so I want to remember that Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And I remember that c is my hypotenuse. It's the side opposite the right angle. So then if I'm looking over here at my triangle, and maybe I want to say like this right here, I don't know. Yeah, here we go. I can draw right on my triangle. So I can mark that is my right angle. And so then that means that this right here is C. And then A is obviously A. And so 9 is B. So I'm looking for the choice that has A squared plus B squared, or 9 squared equals 12 squared. And so I almost chose B. That is not correct. I want to choose C for that one and then go to my next one. And it tells me right away that I got that correct. So looking at my next problem, and let's clear out what I did here. My next problem asks me to tell what kind of triangle is that. And so you can enter your answer right there. If you click on the letter box, I'll go back to my arrow. If I click on the letter box, then I can type in Pythagorean theorem. Sorry, it's asking what type of triangle. So I would write in right triangle. Now I'm not sure if I needed to, wasn't sure if I needed to include the word triangle there for that. Some other things that you can do here, there is a calculator that you can use. So if you don't have a calculator at home, please use that. Please use this space to draw on, because then when you are finished with your quiz or with your assignment, it shows me any work that you've done. So especially if we're taking a quiz, you really want to show that work on there so that I can see that you were doing the work on it, and maybe you could get partial credit for something. This one here is just asking you to tap. We're going to skip that one, go to the next problem. Skip that one. I want to show you something. If we were using a calculator, you can see that the squared button is right here. So if I wanted to do 7 squared, I would do 7 squared equals, and that gives me 49. If I wanted to do square root, if I do square root, and then if I put in the number 25 equals, it will give me the answer that way. So I hope this is helpful for you. You really need to watch this before you take the quiz tomorrow. So please, or today, you'll be seeing it today. So please, please, please watch this. You can watch it more than one time if you need to, so that you're familiar with those tools so that you can do your best work on the quiz. As always, I miss seeing you all every day, and I hope that all of you are doing well.